Alright, so coming over here to the left hand side of the engine, you want to make sure that your cam chain tensioner bolts, top and bottom here, there's one up here, one down below, both of them are loosened off so that your cam chain tensioner gives you a little bit of play with your cam chain. Otherwise you won't be able to get the sprocket and the chain up onto the camshaft once it's in there. So go ahead, remove whatever you have holding the cam chain in place. Make sure you keep this up, don't drop it. Have your camshaft ready here. Bring it around. So you want the lobes facing downward, these guys here, and slip the cam chain over like this. And then once that's sitting roughly in place, you want your cam chain sitting over top like this so that you have room to get your sprocket in. The in on the sprocket goes inwards, and then you want these lines here flat with the surface. So we're going to lift this up, slide this sprocket down in here. There. And now we're free to seat the chain onto the sprocket and then try a few different ways until we feel like we have our timing right. If you need to change which position this is, you can just kind of caterpillar this along, either left or right. And with the cam chain tensioner loose, you will have enough space to pull this right up onto, just like that, right onto the camshaft. So next you just have to make sure that the timing is right. So if you're confident with how it's set up, you're going to put a bolt in here, turn it over, get the other bolt in, and then rotate the engine a few times, check the timing, maybe find a video better than mine where they actually show that part. So that's just something that took me a little while to figure out on my own. Hopefully you guys find that helpful.